Hello and welcome back to another unboxing. This time we've got something from Indigenous Mentaliti. PowWows.com is celebrating 30 years here in 2026, and we're going to do that with a big celebration June, July, August. And as part of that celebration, we're going to give away some prizes that have been sent in from 30 different native brands. So we're celebrating 30 brands for 30 years and unboxing. As they get here, here is another brand that has sent us some stuff. So they are they are a Native American clothing company. And here I'll show you. So they've sent us some tank tops and t-shirts. You can see here it's quite the stack. So I'm not going to unbox all of them because they're similar designs. I think we've got 3 designs here. So I'll do 3 and show you what they look like. Let me flip back over here. In a variety of sizes. So here is the first one. If you get one that's not quite folded right, you know it was one that I opened. I'm never going to fold it quite like that. Definitely native, super cool design. There's that one. So a tank top in extra large. And hold on, let me put here is their info and website. All right, so here is a t-shirt. True Beauty. How about that? All right, another cool design. And then one more. That was in a large. And then this one is actually in a small. And I think this is their logo. Okay. Another tank top. Indigenous Mentaliti, Native American Clothing Company. So thanks to them for sending in prizes. So that was 3. We've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 shirts to give away, mix of t-shirts and tank tops. So go check them out. Follow along as we unbox more coming in from these 30 brands. And thank you for 30 great years. Let's make sure we shine a spotlight on these 30 native brands.